चमकने से आती है सदाकत की महक, जिनके चमकने से आती है सदाकत की महक, उनकी तदरीस से पत्थर भी पिघल जाते हैं। नजर नजर में उतरना कमाल होता है, नफ्स नफ्स में बिखरना कमाल होता है। बुलंदियों पे पहुंचना कोई कमाल नहीं होता, बुलंदियों पे पहुंचना कोई कमाल नहीं होता, बुलंदियों पे ठहरना कमाल होता है।
कि माना गया जिसे बहुत सदियों से आज उठ के इंसाफ की बारी है, दबाया था जिन्हें कभी पैरों तले आज उठ के इंसाफ की बारी है। आंखें चुराना छोड़कर आंख उठाकर चलना जारी है। जो हर माह रक्त बहाए अपने शरीर से, जो हर माह रक्त बहाए अपने शरीर से, उसको दो चार परिंदे क्या भारी है। संस्कृति संभाल कर रखने वाली, परिवार को छोड़कर चलने वाली, सम्मान करो तुम उसका, वो है एक नारी। Find a girl alone in isolated place, then do not consider her as your opportunity. Consider her as your responsibility. Our responsibility to guide her, our responsibility to protect her, our responsibility to help her.
Whatever. If you want to develop yourself, if you want to improve, upgrade, even also if you want to see development yourself, then you will have to attend multiple competition, even also examination, test, then you can improve, you can develop yourself rapidly, fastly, violent and bomb. Dear audience, you are going a great speech competition. Really hope this competition gonna more vigorous, fabulous, tremendous, awesome and very fantastic, lovely for you if you are going to attend this session. Really this session will improve yourself, lots of activity, skill, knowledge, talent, which can't be learned by any teacher, books, even also other places. So this is here you are going to be test, you are going to check out yourself how you can improve, how you can boost your communication skill, even also how you can make sharp, how you can acquire your fluency, accuracy, everything whatever required to be perfect, accurate, complete, brilliant, super, supreme, even also intellectual person, how you can become a public speaker by attending such kind of activity session. You can make strong, you can make powerful yourself amazingly. If you are attending continuously, one by one, simultaneously, spontaneously, as much as energy, power you have, just you try to make. This activity you will have to do. You will have to do many time, multiple time, then you can acquire your confidence. So this is gonna more vigorous, tremendous for all guys who are exciting, who are going to attain such a beautiful, unprecedented competition stage competition. So please, you have to perform whatever you have in your mind, whatever point, whatever rational point clicking in your mind, just you try to explain, elaborate, properly, nicely, you try to make your 100% effort. Even also if negativity coming in your mind, just you have to think, just you have to change your negativity into the excitement. This is my excitement, this is my energy, this is my power, this is my enthusiasm, I can do, I can perform here, then you can be without attending, without beating, without learning, without attending any kind of competition show, you cannot see development yourself. You will have to encounter many times in your life. You will have to indulge, you will have to merge yourself completely, entirely, then you can see development in your life. Right? Are you ready? So this is your first speech competition. Really this competition will change, develop, boost and also enhance your power, everything, whatever you need, whatever you want to make up. So tell me guys, do you want to be a great public speaker? Yes. Tell me. Alright, tell me. Alright. Do you want to be a great fluent speaker? Do you want to improve yourself in English language?
Yes, sir.
Are you ready to come here?
Yes,
Are you
sir.
safe to come here?
Yes, sir.
Are you safe to perform?
Yes, sir.
Are you to beat people?
Yes, sir.
Are you ready to perform yourself?
Yes, sir.
Tell me guys.
Yes, sir.
Whatever yourself, I don't know, people don't know. But if you are performing, if you are explaining, elaborating things, matter, issues, then people value, people judge how much are you strong, how is your value, talent, right? Tell me guys, are you prepared?
Yes, sir.
Prepared? you have to notice here, whenever you join podium, whenever you are going to face scenario, people, audience, people, the very first important thing is that how you are going to represent yourself. How is your body language? How is your starting entry? How is your welcome? That's also very mindable in your life. So you have to come here with full of energy, full of power, full of enthusiasm, full of everything whatever you require. Whatever you have, no matter. Nobody is complete in this world. If you prepare, continue 1 year, but you can't feel I am prepared well. No, never ever. But you have to collect energy. You have to realize yourself. I am prepared. I am potential. I can do this one. Then you can perform. You can. Even also you have to care, you have to notice how is your accent, voice modulation, sound, intonation, tone, action. Even also you have to notice, you have to maintain whatever things you are putting, you have to put confidently. So very first things which you have to notice, you come here with confidence. With confidence you have to represent yourself. I am ready. You feel really I am very strong, I am very powerful, I can do, I am potential, I am champion, I can become champion, I can beat 1,000 million people here, right? You have to feel like that, you have to represent yourself. Second most important point you are going to elaborate, this one also should be more tangible, crystal clear, whatever things you are going to do, this one also should be rational, sensible, understanding, comprehend. Your point should be crystal clear, tangible. Whatever things you want to say, you try to elaborate properly, well. And third most important point, you have to notice who your audience, who are scenario sitting before you, how you are not feeling, how are they feeling, whatever they require. अगर आप
पलकों को झुकाकर सलाम करते हैं, इस दिल की दुआ आप सभी के नाम करते हैं। मंजूर हो तो मीठी मीठी तालियां हो जाएं, मंजूर हो तो मीठी मीठी तालियां हो जाएं, क्योंकि ये शानदार सा प्रोग्राम हम आपके नाम करते हैं। Once a written of Swami Vivekananda, white with toned beard, a good clothes, and look like a gentleman with a smile on face. Swami Vivekananda replied, in the your culture, a tailor makes a gentleman, but in our culture, character makes a gentleman. Assalamu alaikum and a very enthusiastic good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, your honor. First, I would like to thank Sir, Mr. Hafiz sir and Mr. Hira sir, honorable judges and chief guests for letting me this common opportunity to convey my thought, perception and this kind of sensational topic. I'm so delighted being a part of this unprecedented, fantastic and marvelous show. And this is all kind of my mentor that make me able to stand here and speak here in this kind of huge gathering. Ladies and gentlemen, today I could have told someone who have been guiding, lighting of my life, my mentor. हजारों फूल चाहिए एक माला बनाने के लिए, हजारों तिनके चाहिए एक घोंसला बनाने के लिए, पर शिक्षक अकेला काफी है, पर शिक्षक अकेला काफी है बच्चों की जिंदगी स्वर्ग बनाने के लिए। My mentor has been profoundly impacted in my life. My mentor does only teach and help me into my challenges, but also boost my ability, skill, talent, power, authority, and boost my soul. Plus, I meet my mentor. I was unsure of myself. I don't know who I am, where I'm from, but the wisdom, the thought, the patience, I believe in me, and it taught me to see my strengths and choose to overcome the challenges. Umbrella cannot stop the rain. I repeat my sentence. Umbrella cannot stop the rain, but it can save you. Likewise, a teacher, your mentor, cannot give you success, but it can guide you, support you to become a successful person in your life. नहीं तेरा नसीमन कसर सुल्ताने की गुम्बद पे, नहीं तेरा नसीमन कसर सुल्ताने की गुम्बद पे, तू शाहीद है वसीला great. When I failed and make a mistake, this I thought to worry. And he made me able to fight against my mistake and failure. To say me, that success is not about achieving a goal and complete your dream, but it's also to learning from failure and mistake and growing as a person. Ladies and gentlemen, if an eagle stand here but full of confidence, if an eagle who look into your eyes and see here and such a confidence, if an eagle who stand here without sorrow, if an eagle who stand here without showing, if an eagle who stand here without fearless, without hesitation, without vision, this is not a father, this is my mentor that makes me able to stand here, that taught me that taught me how to stand on stage, that taught me how to live as a confident life. My mentor, my teacher, my trainer, my motivator, Mr. Hafizer. I didn't only learn here English and grammar, but I developed my personality, I built up my confidence level and all things from the hero. The man who teaches humanity, the man who teaches equality, the man who teaches to respect all kinds of religion, the man who teaches importance of the family, the man who teaches the value of time, the man who teaches the right of women empowerment, the man who teaches how to develop, how to build up our technology, the man whose mission is to support of the many youngest alike, the man who teaches about her professional achievement on him, the man whose mission is to support many youngest alike. This is none other, this is present here, Mr. Hafizer, my motivator, my trainer, and my guider. I decided to have learning here the English computer grammar. I developed my personality, I built up my confidence, and I finished my BA education preparation by coming here. This is all kind of a mentor, the able to stand here, and I'm able to hold the mic and speak it with a talented way. And in the end of the speech, I want to support from my mentor. जिनकी चमकने से आती है सदाकत की महक, जिनकी चमकने से आती है सदाकत की महक, उनकी तदरीस से पत्थर भी पिघल जाते हैं। नजर नजर में उतरना कमाल होता है, नफ्स नफ्स में बिखरना कमाल होता है, बुलंदियों पे पहुंचना कोई कमाल नहीं होता, बुलंदियों पे पहुंचना कोई कमाल नहीं होता, बुलंदियों पे ठहरना कमाल होता है। Again thank honorable judges and sir from giving me the support opportunity, and inshallah I meet you again very and in my speech I pray may Allah protect Mr. Hafizer, may Allah protect the Thai. This Thai is a very honorable student and all around the world. Thank you so much and have a fantastic day.
मुस्कान आपकी हमारे लिए वरदान है, आपका मार्गदर्शन हमारे लिए सम्मान है। आप आए अब हम पर मेहरबान है, बड़ी नसीबों वाले हैं जो आप हमारे मेहमान हैं। So good afternoon and welcome to you here, honorable chief guest, judges, dear audience. I feel highly privileged, honored that you all are here today. Well, my name is Muskan Vishwakarma and I would like to show my humble gratitude to my sir who gave me such a miraculous opportunity to present my views here. So today I stand here with great sincerity to put across my views about women empowerment. ये मीरा की अमर भक्ति है, जहर से मर नहीं सकती, ये झांसी वाली रानी की शक्ति है, किसी से डर नहीं सकती, मदर टेरेसा हो या कल्पना सानिया मैरी, असंभव क्या है इस दुनिया में जुनारी कर नहीं सकती, असंभव क्या है इस दुनिया में जुनारी कर नहीं सकती। Now you all must be thinking what's the meaning of women empowerment. So ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you, women empowerment means giving women full rights to their rights, opportunity to take their own decisions in their lives and make their place in the society. Its purpose is to help women to understand their capabilities and potential so that they can make themselves financially, socially and potentially stronger. कि क्यों अपने मन के अंधकार को जबरन घोर बनाते हो, क्यों ऊंचा उठने के खातिर नारी को कमजोर बताते हो। नारी का जीवन जैसे है संघर्षों की खान, नारी से ही होती घर की मर्यादा, इज्जत होता है सम्मान, नारी से ही हमको अपनी जीवन रेखा मिलती है, नारी से ही संबंधों में प्रेम की कलियां खिलती है। नारी नारी के संघर्षों से ही मेरा देश बना, नारी ने ही आकर शिखर और सुभाष जना, और जिसने भारत का सम्मान लिखा अपने भाले की नोक से, उस महाराणा ने भी जन्म लिया था एक नारी की ही कोख से। When women is a daughter, she is the Rahmat or Lakshmi of that house. And when women is a wife, she is the completing half of the husband's demand. And when women is a mother, she is the heaven of her children. Now you are must be thinking why it is needed. So ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you, there are still some elements in our society who think that a daughter is not कि माना गया जिसे बहुत सदियों से, आज उठ के इंसाफ की बारी है। दबाया था जिन्हें कभी पैरों तले, आज उठ के इंसाफ की बारी है। आंखें चुराना छोड़कर आंख उठाकर चलना जारी है। जो हर माह रक्त बहाए अपने शरीर से, जो हर माह रक्त बहाए अपने शरीर से, उसको दो चार परिंदे क्या भारी है। संस्कृति संभाल कर रखने वाली, परिवार को छोड़कर चलने वाली, सम्मान करो तुम उसका, वो है एक नारी। Alone in isolated place, then do not consider her as your opportunity. Consider her as your responsibility. Our responsibility to guide her, our responsibility to protect her, our responsibility to help her. So thank you so much for listening me with great patience. Have a wonderful good afternoon.